Hi guys, so here we've got a 2015 Nissan Juke. We've just done the service on it. So once we start the car here, you can see it's a push button start. We've got the spanner lighting up in the dash, 7,300 Ks. It is due for a service. So we've just serviced this car. So we're gonna have to do the reset now. So what you're gonna have to do, you have to turn the car off. I'll just place the phone down here. So in this reset, you're going to have to use this button down here. So you're going to have to turn the ignition on, wait for the lights to come up, and then you'll hold this button down. So let me just turn the ignition on. The ignition's on. As soon as it lights up, you can see the spanner there. Hold that down. Starts flashing, let go. Click it in again. And now you turn the ignition off, start the car, and there you go. So nice and simple. That is how you reset your service light on your Nissan Juke. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe.